Are you tired all the time, struggling with low mood, or getting sick too often? One possible reason, you might be deficient in vitamin D. It's more common than you think, and it could be affecting your body in ways you never realized. In this video, we'll explain what vitamin D does, how deficiency shows up, and what you can do to fix it fast. Welcome to DoctorBytes. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to channel What is Vitamin D? Vitamin D is often called the sunshine vitamin, but it's technically a hormone. Your body produces it when sunlight hits your skin. It helps absorb calcium, strengthen bones, support your immune system, and even boost your mood. But here's the catch. Over 1 billion people worldwide aren't getting enough. Why? Indoor lifestyles, lack of sun exposure, and poor diet. Symptoms of deficiency. Most people with low vitamin D have no idea. But here are common signs. Constant fatigue, frequent colds or infections, muscle or bone pain, depression or mood swings, hair loss, brain fog, trouble sleeping, excessive sweating, especially on the forehead. If you're dealing with a few of these, it's time to take vitamin D seriously. Causes of deficiency. So, what causes the deficiency? Lack of sunlight is the biggest one, especially if you work indoors, wear sunscreen constantly, or live in northern climates. Darker skin tones need more sun to produce the same amount. Aging, obesity, and low intake of vitamin D-rich foods also contribute. And even digestive conditions like Crohn's or celiac can reduce absorption. How to fix it? Good news. Fixing it is easy. Step 1. Get sunlight, 10 to 30 minutes a few times a week, ideally around midday. Step 2. Eat better. Include salmon, egg yolks, mushrooms, and fortified milk or cereal. Step 3. Take supplements. Most adults need between 600 to 2,000 IU daily. But talk to a doctor before going higher. Step 4. Get tested. A simple blood test can check your vitamin D levels and help guide treatment. Conclusion: vitamin D may be small, but it has a huge impact on your energy, your mood, and your overall health. Don't ignore the signs. Take simple steps now, and you could feel the difference in just a few weeks. If this video helped you, give it a like, subscribe to DoctorBytes, and hit the bell for more smart, health content that may save your life. Stay strong, stay healthy, and stay bright.